Now, you will swear to the people of Anocha that when you enter that office, you will not eat our money and run away. Take this!
Incoming, don't come mannequin.
Mommy,
My God. Now we reach my turn to enter power. Then go add juju for politics. God, I beg.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, make sure to watch the very because you know now I always make sure I give you guys the best. So this one no go day different. You understand? You know go day different. So stick to the very end, subscribe, and tell me if you enjoyed the video. You feel me? So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
This land where they see an virgin. You can see all plants are green here.
Okay.
It's a land that can give you success ahead. I know they show you any other land for this agent what they do. As you see and so now the man will get the land will die. My son be that.
So we're actually selling the land so that we can raise money to bury my father.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's a virgin land. No dispute at all. CFO, everything is intact. So just make payment. Let's proceed with the paper.
Sabinus, you sure that this boy get this land? Okay, go look the father obituary picture now. The same face. Now he's supposed to die. Father die for him.
One man.
I don't want wahala. I don't want the one go sleep. I know if you wake up. Assurance is covered. Pay this money. Sabinus, I will like pay now, but small problem day.
I don't want trouble.
I don't get naira. Na Bitcoin I get. And if I want trade now, my friend they take 3 days before him pay me. No, now. What be that your crypto trader plug where they use again?
Downtown now. Downtown is the best platform to trade your Bitcoin.
And all digital assets.
Yes, they are very fast and reliable. Instant payment. No, they pay you.
Oga, once you use that time, do your trading. You just know saying sharp, efficient and very fast.
And if you use the promo code Sabinus, you get instant reward for every trade you do.
Oga, imagine that one now. So we are see them. Just go on your Play Store, download them. So fast.
Instant payment.
I just traded 100 million now. I will send you the 50 million for the land.
No problem.
Please make sure my documents are ready.
Yes, everything is intact.
Thank you, sir. And your agent fee? Let's have it. I ain't go pay me, but if you get anything for me, it's all right. Sabinus. Oga, still get more properties, oh. This your father better favor you.
What's the meaning of that one?
Imagine if your mother can't die.
Hey, Sabinus, respect yourself. Don't talk too much because this 20% I want to give you.
And calm down. Just imagine see all these boys where they kidnap us, where they are black, just come down, kidnap this man.
Hey!
Oga, sorry.
You now, well, keep your mouth one place.
Sorry.
Don't you know that wars have power?
But he go tell you.
What is expensive joke? It's not good. Stop it.
He knows that joking the vex. Madam, to no vex.
You are a fool.
Okay, you're covered. So well done. Come on. Come on for that place. Not be you who kidnap. Come on.
My husband!
Jesus!
Yeah, okay. Now you call this person, they go kidnap my husband. Okay, now you call them, now you talk say go kidnap my husband. And the boys come, they carry my husband go.
You they believe words of the mouth.
Okay, now you do it.
Madam, no now. It's words of the mouth, oh.
Hello, DPO.
Jesus!
DPO, come on.
I don't want trouble.
I don't witness it where call boys, may they go kidnap my husband. They don't carry my husband go.
For the struggle. Oh, Jesus.
Hello, sir. You be native doctor?
I be coach. You know see my jersey?
Now try and be this.
Now to arena, we wait for the video so you go perform.
If you be native doctor now, that means if you make me I get money.
Yeah, and if you still make you poor.
I know wahala now as native doctor where you be, eh? I want make you give me something where go give me 10 billion naira tomorrow morning.
You see this thing?
Okay.
You can pour inside your food, make you chop them.
That means if I pour this thing inside my food, I chop them, I go be billionaire tomorrow morning.
Now me a day, now they inside bush.
That means this you know they work.
You know they work. I got come up for here, make I see road. I see better customer. Next.
You get 10 billion, become famous.
Now your cars, boy. What's wrong with the car now? Maybe now the bad.
I don't like it when a man touches something that belongs to me.
we dey fight.
Must you talk to every woman you see?
I don't
want a man touching my... In fact, I don't like men.
Okay,
no man should touch anything that belongs to me.
Like
I am a feminist and I don't want anything to do with a man, okay? Don't touch my car. My mechanic is almost here.
Mechanic, no be man.
Madam, I'm here.
I better me check this car.
Oh, okay, how you be?
I be her mechanic.
Madam. Which gender be this?
Obviously, he's a man.
Don't see your life. Feminist.
What's what they do for him?
The great people of Anocha, I want to hear you say Bosa. I want to hear you say another Bosa. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow's election will be the greatest election to happen in this great community. Without wasting much of our time, make some noise as we introduce to you the next incoming
Incoming local government channel. Which one?
Keep clapping. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, if you happen to be the next incoming of this great community, what do you have for our people?
Listen to Nduka, he break the touch sometimes.
I don't know the talk. I don't know.
I'm deaf and dumb now.
Shut up, your mouth.
Incoming! You're not saying anything. That says it all.
Who is this man in the first place?
You know, over the years, a lot of politicians has been coming to this community. And they say a lot of things that they did not do. You see me? I will do a lot of things
that I did not see. Crazy guy.
Incoming. Our people never saw this coming.
They never saw this coming.
No! It's a lie. I cannot accept that. Look, I don't know about you, but me, I cannot accept this shenanigan and camouflage. Okay? You have to swear that when you enter that office, you will not eat our money and run away.
But I swear to the people of this community, I will not know.
If I see me,
That is not how you swear. The great cuckoo.
No be cha. Swear to juju.
Alpha, you hold Bible there?
No, I forget our house.
That don't sound scary.
Now, you will swear to the people of Anocha that when you enter that office, you will not eat our money and run away.
They don't hold you for free.
Take this!
Incoming, don't come mannequin. Mommy's here!
My God. Now we reach my turn to enter power. Then go add juju for politics. God, I beg you.
My guy, run. My guy, tell us.
Please, help me manage it.
Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Wish that is blood body.
You can't wish.
What kind of thing that? Would it make you the thing that? How can you do that? I go crazy when you do that.
Can you behave yourself, please? Don't be a foolish idiot.
I don't understand. What's that? Hey, this girl. You are very funny. You think it's all those nonsense you people do online? So as you just put it, I will give you the drink. If you on your shit. We don't do that here. We don't. We don't. That's not how. I'm dying inside though. That's not how we.
Hey, come back here. Are you mad? I started poisoning this girl and she's dying. You want to poison me too? No, you want to poison my drink in broad light. You see that we die with her. You will die with her. Take this drink.
Jesus,
I drink it. You will die with her. Drink it.
Jesus, please, I don't want to die.
I will enjoy you.
Oh my God,
Na trick.
When we are talking something important. Which kind of selfish attitude be this one? I don't understand you. The next place where we go now, the kind of something one remain for you. Do you something remain for me? See the kind of something where you do. I beg, give me something. You drink something, see, you remember this kind of nonsense with me. Now so they do something.
Sorry, Kwano, sorry now.
Listen, wait, try, not try and make a man up guy.
Then I use my guy friend.
Is it this next place where they go? You fall like drink, now fall and drink. You not go try this thing with me again.
If nothing will make you happy, no problem.
Say what because do something with person.
Sorry now.
You go do like a
Sorry, Kwano.
I say, my God.
What does happen here now? My God.
If sufferness is too much, it will turn you to madman. It will turn you to mad woman.
That's so good.
Ó máa sọ ènìyàn di wèrè. Ìyà ò gbọ́dọ̀ pọ̀ jù.
Hey baby.
They carry back, they go. Yeah,
Happy birthday, Naria.
Shame to you.
What's the meaning of that now?
I don't understand. Yeah, you just say when I do my birthday.
I went to my parents' house now.
You do your parents' house?
Yes.
Wait. So why you call text my happy birthday message that you call off your phone?
There was no lights. My battery was down.
It'll be like Nepal in his behave. Or can't go say like this. Okay. But wait. Why you say when I call you video call your phone there or you not pick the call?
Let's have it.
I was busy with my mommy. We were in the kitchen cooking and praying and all.
But when I finish, why you not still can't call me?
If there was no network.
No network? Yeah, now might swear that network. They might call your brother now.
My brother?
Now might call your brother now. At last I don't see you. Jesus. Because you swear you come out for school, so they must see you for family house. So you go tell me where you go.
You don't call my brother.
Might not call him?
Yes.
So where you go?
I went to see my bestie.
You go see your bestie?
Yes.
Wait, male or female?
My bestie is not feeling well.
Male or female?
Male.
Wait, so you dey cheat on me?
Babe, I cannot cheat on you.
You dey cheat on me with your bestie?
Babe, I'm sorry.
Sorry for waiting.
Sorry for lying to you.
Okay, see, before I go forgive you like this now, the gift of 200k you promised me for my birthday, you give me first like this.
Baby, that's not an issue.
I understand that now. Okay. Don't say as you don't go meet your bestie, now be good for you.
Sent, babe.
Just now?
Yes.
Give me a confirmer. Blast! If not 400k, send me so.
Yes, babe. Just use the money to forgive and forget. Yes.
See, to forgive easy, but to forget hard, but I will try.
Try, baby.
Okay, no wahala. Hey, babe, this time I say you carry bag, I carry bag. I'm gonna go lunch now.
Alright, baby.
Money day like this now.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna carry my phone.
Okay. You come out tonight, go lock door.
Take her, take her, take her. She's a warrior.
You go lock door. This guy Mumu. My guy Mumu.
Kodri. Àǹtí Betty. Báwo ni? Ẹ ká sìn ó ti close. A ti palẹ̀ mọ́ fóònù. A ti palẹ̀ mọ́. Kodri mo fẹ́ Labubu. Lúrú àbí kílẹ̀ kù? Labubu. Bèbí tán ta ní ìsìn o. Táwọn èèyàn rà. Kí lákàn? Ẹ lè rà abẹ́ mọ̀nà jà. Ṣé bí wọ́n ní pé kí wá bá ẹ tí bá need anything? Ṣé mi Tinubu ni àbẹ́ mi lẹ dìbò fún? Ṣé bí màá mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ gbọ́n mi gbà tẹ́ sí dọwọ́ rú èmi ti sọ́wọ́ yín sí bí àrùtí. Máa fẹ́ gbọ́n ẹ̀ náà. Ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́n mi? Ẹ dà ẹ̀ lé wá ní Labubu. 400,000 ni. Irọ́ ìrà ogbó iléeṣẹ́ o, ẹyọ̀kan ni mo lè ra ẹ̀dàpọ̀ mọ́ kọjá yẹn. Ẹyọ̀kan ni mò ń sọ náà, ẹyọ̀kan designer ni náà. 400,000 ni. Ṣẹ́fẹ́ kábùkù. Ẹ̀dàpọ̀ ọlọ́mọ jàre láburú. Kí ni 400,000 ẹ̀dàkùn tó lọ náà? Kí ló mean? Ṣé n bá ní 400,000 ṣẹ́ pàdé mi lórí ìta yìí? Ṣé rí mi yàn yìí? Kẹ̀sì á lanu ṣé intention gan kan ó make sense. Kodri. Kí ni Kodri? Irú náà mo pé bẹ́ẹ̀ wáyé pé rí yín bu ṣé Labubu 400,000. Kí ni ẹ̀sìn ọ́nà ẹ̀dá mi lóhùn ṣé Labubu 400,000. Èmi ló ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyẹn Kodri. Nǹkan ṣe ọ́ ni ẹ fẹ́ Labubu ọ̀ ní ìsìn ẹ̀pàdà wá bá wa ṣé owó àbúlé fẹ́ fi ṣàbúlé lè gbò. Ẹ tí kúrò lábúlé fẹ́ Labubu. Nǹkan ṣe ọ́ ni. Kodri. Kí ni? Kodri èmi ni o. Kí ni kò fẹ́ dáa fún ẹ. Ṣé ẹ pé mo wá bọ̀ mo kàn ṣe kí ni mo ní àti fèsì ta ló wá fún ọ ní kíní. Ó bàjẹ́ gan-an ó bàjẹ́ Kodri ó bàjẹ́ ò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Iná mo wí pé kọ́ lọ rà jẹ́ sọ́gbọ́n ọ fẹ́ ra sìgìdì ní 400,000 jẹ́ ọmọ pákéjì ẹran láàmì ló ṣògbó sọ́gbọ́n ọ̀dà mọ̀. I can see you and your wretched stinking family. Your brother is so ugly, very depressed family. Èmi ẹgbẹ́ mi. Èbó fòyín náà lọ́mọ ń wí kọ́ ọ̀sìnrówó Labubu alábùkù. Èmi Kodri. Ọmọ àbí ọ̀la súnmọ́ mi bá ní fọ ní kúkú ibi ìdá àjàgbọ̀n ẹ̀kọ́. Kodri, I will catch you later. Ìwà sẹ́ni súnmọ́ mi. I will catch you later. You will see nonsense, rubbish. Labu máa ń jìrì.
Sister, since I started going to the gym, I've not seen my period and it's been 2 months now. Does gym delay period?
Yes.
You don't carry belly now.
When you are too close to your gym instructor, your period will not come. Many 7 months.
You don't carry belly now. Congratulations.
Bunny be this. Yes, boss.
When a
what's your
pimp
name?
does not fornicate.
Mary. You like her?
Yes, I like her.
Tell you, I tell you. The other girl don't dey inside the room. She don't set like this. Just finish with this one. Enter.
No, now that one now for you now. You know, say I don't already stress you today. You don't go up and down, left and right. So just hold that one, make you tomorrow, make you enjoy yourself. Because no worry, if na payment, I go pay.
Me?
Yes.
Make a day with the show. I dey come for big. Make a day with the show. Make my glory dey fly small. Make a day with people who I know sabi before. You know where I pick all these girls from? I pick them up from streets now. I don't sabi them before now. Which kind of be that? No now. Even for the Bible, they talk fornication is not good. It's bad now. Make a day sleep with the show. Bad luck begin to follow me. Bad speed they begin to follow me. No, it doesn't make sense. This girl, if I ask her body count now, what's your body count?
Just
50 plus you.
51.
You must have been mad. Look at it. Does it make sense to you? Baba, just enjoy yourself. I will carry the other girl come here and I move now. I deal with you, bro. Chama, I will pay you my OP. God bless you.
You know they pay. You know where they talk to fornication as sin. When I come to go, I will pay na transport. I bet that girl they go, I will pay her transport.
Alpha Chama, they call you. Enter.
I can't pay na make they go now.
Thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe. That's if you are coming across my channel for the very first time and you are yet to do that. Please subscribe and share this video. Drop nice comments and also check out my other videos. See you in the next one, my people. See you in the next one. Peace and love.